Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by downloading Instagram from the App Store or Play Store today. Open the app and tap Sign Up to begin with email or phone. Alternatively, link your Facebook account to sign up instantly and import contacts. Pick a username under 30 characters and a clear profile photo people recognize. Write a short bio with 150 characters or less that highlights who you are. Add a website link if relevant and set contact options for followers. Verify your email or phone to secure access and recover your account later. Tap your profile icon, then edit profile to set name and username. Add a profile photo, bio, birthday, and optional website link for credibility. Go to Settings, then Account to confirm you are using a personal account. Turn on two-factor authentication using SMS or an authenticator app for security. Set privacy to private if you want to approve followers manually. Use block and report features to remove harassers or spam accounts quickly. Review activity status and story sharing and privacy settings to control visibility. Create your first post by tapping the plus icon and selecting photo or video. Crop images to Instagram standard 1080 pixels wide for the best display. Write captions around 125 characters or less for scan-friendly engagement with followers. Use hashtags and location tags. Limit to 10 to avoid spammy reach. Post consistently with a schedule of 2 to 3 times per week for growth. If issues arise, report content or block accounts to protect your privacy. Enable backup in Account Center to manage logins and recover credentials easily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.